Anyways. Alright, we're trying this again. There we go. Now we're live. Okay. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Weather Watch stream. The first weather watching stream. So this is just going to be a chill little live stream. I haven't really decided um, haven't really decided what the main content is going to be for this channel. So there's kind of a lot I could do. I'm doing, these are all the other games I have on here. Storm Chasers, and then I plan on doing Outbreak once it comes out, which I literally just learned about the other day, but it looks absolutely amazing. You can see these even have gates on them. It gets that specific. It has gates, which I think it even has a velocity mode. I know for a fact I saw that. This screenshot looks a little iffy, but I don't think that's I think that's just kind of, not a big deal. So this fly keeps flying around my room. Wait, there it was. Yep, velocity mode. And you can get really in depth with it. You got wind direction and everything. There's way more cars. The graphics just look better in general. It looks very ambitious and very exciting. And I just hope they will hurry the heck up on this game because it looks so fun. And then obviously you got actual Storm Chasers making the game. You kind of have to, you know. Development outlook. Oh, you'll even get a dog. Wow, you can get a dog. So there was some brief gameplay.
I like the forecasting aspect of this.
Like, see, I hate that happens. Let's open this up.
That lightning looks really good. I like the lightning. How it's completely random.
It just looks so much better than.
Looks so good the way it comes down like that.
So I don't want to be too far north because you're north of the low. You can see
you got reflectivity and you've got. So you got a bunch of different modes. You got navigation, radar, nowcast, and forecast. So navigation, I'm guessing, is just specifically on how to get certain places, obviously. And then I don't know. Let's see if he clicks on anything else.
Yep. Well then, it's time to core punch.
Yeah, send it.
But you see, it's got the I can't remember what they call these. This is the professional term. Obviously, they're warning areas. That's probably got a lot of hail. That's got hail. That's a tornado, or formation, or rotation rather.
Yeah, send it.
Which, well, yeah, that's just when you get into velocity mode here. That's just classic. Depends on where the radar is. I don't know where well, I guess the radar's this way, because that's air pushing against each other. So could that be two tornadoes possibly, or is that just more right here? Well, because it's gonna break through there. I don't know. I'm no genius when it comes to meteorology. I'm still a beginner. I mean, I'm only a friggin' senior. Still learning everything myself. So I live in St. Louis. Obviously, I won't get super specific on where, but I live within the KLSX area, not as close to TSTL, which is an airport, I believe. Which I feel like this is always the thing I see when I use this. Is just really dense cloud, because we got a lot of cloud coverage right now. Because there was a storm yesterday. I don't think there's a whole lot going on today. Yesterday there was a tornado warning somewhere. Where's this? Is this New York or is this southern Canada? It's not New. I can't tell. New York's down here. I'm lying if I'd say I know what these upper states are. Because it doesn't just straight up tell you what the states are. I wonder if you can do that. That's an option. Because I'm not amazing with my states, which I know geography is probably pretty important when it comes to meteorology, considering a lot of things. What's Allison House? Radar key? What is? Okay, we're doing some research today. What is radar key? Weather data by Allison House. Is this just another phone thing? Web-based real time. Pricing. $30 a month. $15 a month. Storm Hunter and Storm Chaser. So Storm Hunter, you get Chaser plus maps. So you get. Oh, let me pull this over. You can look at my Final Fantasy stuff here. Level 2 and 3 radar, basic lightning, 30-day premium data feeds compatible with 10 apps. Allison House maps, 8 forecast models. This is, I don't know what that is. Well, it looks like we've got a little storm going on up here. Guess we might as well pop some dual thing on since I'm freaking paying for it. Okay, so wind looks like it's going east. This is just classic. Obviously, it's going towards it, so it looks like it's going like northeast. Not quite sure what orange means. Whether that means like, not sure. And then there's always, so I know how to read this for the most part. Like I know what it's saying. Well, I won't lie that I think I know is what this is. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that means. Like 8.86 what? I'm not sure. Maybe this is calculating individual droplets of rain. No. I don't know. I don't know what that is. Let's see if there's anywhere near my house. Wow, okay, this just looks like confetti just barfed up. So I actually want to look this up. We're going to do a little research. What is correlation coefficient? In or on a radar. Provides a measure of the consistency of the shapes and sizes of targets within the radar beam. Higher value shows a higher consistency in the size and shape of radar targets, while lower value indicates greater variable in shapes and sizes. So, what? Okay, so the correlation coefficient is a measure of uniform that features being observed by the radar. It ranges in value from 0 to 1.05. Pure rain or snow should have correlation closer to 1. If there's a mixture of precipitation, will be a reduction in that. So basically, it's just an easier way to see if it's actually raining. So this is like actual rain. Okay, so it's more so to see like if it's a storm cloud or it's just a cloud. If it's raining, like, because obviously here I can tell that this isn't necessarily stormy. Like there's some rain around here, just like we see here with the normal relative reflectivity. To determine exactly what's falling from the sky, you need another radar parameter. Called the correlation. The values are showing up. Okay, so maybe to see if this is rain or snow is basically what it is. So you can see that there's precipitation here, but it could be rain or snow. And so the idea is like, Maybe that's what it is. I kind of want. Okay, I'm gonna click on this. I want to see if I can get more information. Correlation is a measurement. Meteorological echoes will typically have correlation coefficient values higher than 0.8, with non-meteorological echoes, birds, insects, etc., typically having less value than 0.8 below the correlation coefficient from the storm. Correlation coefficient values within the heaviest echoes approximately 0.975. Comparing three images above, within area, the highest reflectivity is different reflectivity values typically associated with hail are correlated with are co-located. Huh. Two pulses are emitted from radar, one horizontal and one vertical. The different reflectivity and correlation coefficient provide information about each of these pulses. Different reflectivity is dependent upon vertical pulse. So in the air. Oh, so like height, like the height of the clouds and stuff. If this ratio is less than 1, the feature is taller than it is wide, and the signal is negative. When the ratio is close to 1, the feature is approximately spherical. Okay, this one is not making sense to me. Let's try this one. As PHV or RHO provides the measurement. Oh, okay, I'm silly. So it sends a vertical, so up and down, radar pulse. So this is saying that this is probably a pretty tall cloud. It's which could give you an idea it's a cumulonimbus, right? Or a supercell or whatever, you know. And if it's whatever this is, then it varies because what I'm guessing this is overcast, right? So because it's overcast, the vertical pulse is just going to hit the sky barrier, right? It's just going to it's not going to get the full length of the cloud because the whole sky is just a cloud. It's just going to immediately send the signal back. So it's not going to give you incredibly accurate data on how high up it is. That's what I'm guessing. Okay, I get it. That's why this is because it's outside of the forecast, I'm guessing, or at the very least or out of the overcast, I mean. Like if I click on this, I guess that one doesn't have any. Um, wait, hold on. Maybe it does. Maybe I just need to go back and. No, but it has velocity. Okay, so it looks like going north. Some bit of like rotation here, I guess. Air's kind of getting pulled around. But so what's different about this? Is this like the individual little indentations of the clouds? So this must be like a cloud that goes up and then down and then up or something. But I don't see how the radar would be able to get that accurate of data. I'm not sure. I guess it's... I don't think this one makes much... What about... What is the difference between... differential reflectivity. Oh, here it is. Here's an explanation. Differential relativity is the log... I don't know what that word is. In mathematics, is the inverse function to exponential. This means the given number is... Positive values of ZDR indicate the dominant hydrometers are larger in the horizontal than the vertical. Negative values indicate dominant hydrometers are larger in the vertical than the horizontal. Okay, wait. Okay, so it's saying that this here is taller than the... Okay, so that would make sense. It's like a normal cloud. It starts small, then gets tall in the center, kind of like a mountain. That's what it's saying. So that's also what it's displaying here, I'm guessing. Is that this would probably be in the negatives. See, I'm learning things. I didn't need no meteorology class. I'm learning things on my own. I might be wrong. I might be a misunderstanding, but... Wait, what is this? That's not found? That's too bad. Okay, wait, so negative values indicate dominant hydrometer larger in the vertical than the horizontal, and positive means higher in the... Okay, so it's saying this is longer than it is... This is longer than it is tall. So, obviously, this is going to be taller than it is longer than this, right? See, because the white and gray is more isolated in the center than it is on the outskirts, which are going to be longer than the middle. Which just kind of, you know, it's like a big old ice cream cone, you know? Slowly comes to a point. Amazon Prime sending me a notification to finish The Boys, which I already did. Okay, do I have phase shift? Storm relativity. Don't think I have that. I don't think I have differential. What is echo tops? Hydrometer classification. I think that was on there actually. We can turn this off because I kind of want to just mess around with individual. Maybe this means... Okay, the HC product attempts to provide a representation of radar echo types. Out of 10 possible echoes, biological clutter, ice crystals, dry snow, wet snow, or west snow, rain, heavy rain, big drops, grapple, and hail, in each radar range bin is used information in the base relativity, base velocity, and products to make each determination. HC can provide a first guess for precipitation type. So this is supposed to guess the type of precipitation? Can I get like a key or something? Because I don't... Is there like a... I guess I have to look this up myself. I need a list of some sort. So we have BI, GC, IC, DS, WS, RA, HR, BD, GR, HA, LH, GH, 130, UK, and RF. Where do I even start here? Okay, what is BI? BI. Weather. Okay, wait, is there like a chart? Let me just see. Chart for hydro classification. No, I don't want to download it. Okay, well, I just want to go to the website. I just want to go to the website. Oh my god, visit the website. No, it's just downloading more. Okay, this is not what I wanted. Well, I'm slightly upset that I just can't find out. So I'm guessing this is some sort of overcast. Maybe this is like rain. Definitely isn't snow. I don't know what this would be. Maybe it just doesn't know. 404 not found. Shish. Well, that's certainly interesting. We're just gonna have to get rid of that. But yeah, I'm trying to get Outbreak, man. I just want to play Outbreak. That's all I want. It's the peak. It's peak, man. Let's just take a look at storms nearby. Special marine warning. What? Was there a hurricane or something? Oh god. No, just oh jeez. Just classic Florida rain. Coastal waters from Alabama Sound to Fernandina Beach. A strong thunderstorm located 7 nm north of Amelia City. Wind gusts of 34 knots or greater. Oh jeez. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds, suddenly higher waves. Got them nautical notifications over here. I don't give a crap, man. What are all these? What is this? What are these? Is this, what are all these like squirbly lines? Is this the provinces of Florida or something? It might. Wait, what is all this? Are these rivers or something? No, these can't be rivers. What am I thinking? What is this? Is this like how far the radar goes or something? No. What? I'm so confused as to what those lines are, but let's see if there's any of these older than 3 hours or whatever. Let's see what other notifications there are going on around Montana. What's going on in Montana? Nothing. Just some dense cloud coverage. They were having some storms earlier. Tornado warnings even. What's this red? Oh. Yeah, the data's older than 3 hours. That's what it means when it's red. So I guess it's not active right now. So something I didn't know, which I guess this just shows how far I've come, right? I'm sorry, I'm just sort of naive with this kind of thing, right? There's not a radar that stretches out across the entire U.S. That's not how radio waves work. We don't have that kind of technology. Or it's just physics, really, right? Or it's just science at that point, right? It just can't. It's impossible, at least as of right now, unless we can shoot sound waves further and faster somehow. I don't know, but when you see those big maps, let's just go to like a normal radar. Weather radar. When you go on a like something like, oh, this is the worst website I could have clicked on. What was I thinking? Like this, right? Where it's got just all the information on it, you know? Okay, cool. Anyways, when you see all this, like this is strung together. This is strung together by websites and stuff. And so you can see it gives you, no, I guess it doesn't even tell you the location of the satellite, or not the satellites, the radars. St. Louis weather forecast radar. which I was thinking to myself, like, it makes sense that that stuff would occasionally be inaccurate, right? Because it's like a game of telephone. You're stringing together this information. Each one of those radars is going to get different data at different points, and so this constantly has to be updated. I don't know how they do it. I don't know how they string these all together. I don't know if there's some program they have where they're all connected or whatever. But I want to know how they get this stuff from other countries. So I don't know. It beats me. Obviously, we don't have a radar that goes around the entirety of the entire world. NATO Chasers is like FYP right now is absolutely messed up because I don't have a single subscription. So it's just whatever is the most popular content right now. Like, top 500 funniest fails in Fall Guys. Like, what? Well, let's, like, I think, some of them are like Final Fantasy content because I've been looking that up on this account, but woman with knife in Walmart tased after standoff. Like, that's awesome, I guess, but Korean drama because it's just, like, this this is so cursed. I don't even have watch history turned on. You guys couldn't peep on me if I tried. Alright. So we're chilling. We got our 75 frames per second. I've considered getting alpha. It's like $10 a month for quite a bit more. Holy crap. Did I finally get a follower? My iFunny. Oh my gosh. I finally have got a subscription, guys. Somebody's finally subscribed to me. I'll subscribe to them back. Just so they know that, Sorry, I'm talking about my epic iFunny account. Which has got 42 smiles on this one. Anyway, sorry, this is the most random, this is not going to be your average weather channel here, guys. So, as you see, we had a storm earlier this morning that went away pretty quickly. Obviously, it's just not our problem now. It's still there. It's just not our problem. So, those yellow ones are, I guess, smaller radars. I'm guessing airports. Let's see, Louisville here. TSDF. Is that some sort of airport, maybe? I don't know. This is smaller radar. Big radar. I also have, full thingy on, so I think that does tether together some. Like, it might take the data from this one over to here. What's this? Is this special weather statement? Gusting winds knock down winds in the 40 miles an hour. Oh no. Oh my god, it's a tornado. I don't see any tornado activity here right now. Gosh, see that hook? See that hook right there? That is rotation. That is rotation right. This hook right here. That is a tornado getting ready to form. That was me back when I was a naive little kid. Still am, but less. So let's do velocity. Let's take a look. Okay, actually this is interesting. It's some kind of downdraft. This does actually look kind of like this could cause something. So what this one is, they're clashing here, which is interesting. I tried watching videos on so this is going down more. I tried watching videos on reading velocity and just being able to locate weather phenomenon and events within radars. I spent not enough time. I'm still gonna watch more videos and try and learn, because it's so hard. Because it's hidden. It doesn't make it obvious to you, right? Hold on. Okay, radar hook. This is the golden. This is this is the obvious one, right? This is obvious rotation. This is ridiculous, right? This is the people's expectations for female bodies, right? This is unexpected, unrealistic expectations, right? No woman could ever look like this. No storm will ever look like this. Like, this is ridiculous. I wish it was that easy. Usually what it is something super microscopic. A hook echo, what's that now? Is that a smaller one or something? Or is that just another way to say it, maybe? I don't know. So, let's read Noah's thing for this. A hook echo describes a pattern in radar. Well, see, like, this is your golden example, right? It's what I'm trying to say. Really, it's not that simple. It never has been. It is sometimes, but usually, according to most, it is not. But let's watch a storm, not in 7 frames, but in 30. At the very least, I mean, come on. So I guess in dual mode, you can't. You have to have it in smaller frames. So, like, the wind started going that way. As the wind went through here, it went. No, it started going this way. So, I guess it still counts. So when it's above it, it still counts as going towards it. Like, but I don't know, because this is going outwards like this. That would be away from it, but that would also be away from it. It'd only be if it was going. Sorry, I'm just trying to get perspective for me, an untrained eye, you know? I'm just trying to comprehend this. It is only 12:35. Wow. All right. We've been live for 32 minutes. Alright. Wonder what that is, why that is. So I know there's a way I can, like. Oh, there we go. How did I do that, though? Because I feel like I usually don't do it correctly. Did I hold it? Okay, you hold it. And then you click on Matchbox. Okay. So this way we can, like, slowly analyze the storm. Frame by frame. So and then I guess okay. What does under the radar mean in velocity? No, that's you're giving me the bare minimum here. It's not helpful. Well, let's try. Let's try this here. Yeah, this about right. This sounds about right. So, how about see if we can actually get any data on this. Over here we can. So this part is much wider than this part. I don't know.